Welcome to today's edition of What's Happening Today at PTC’19 for Sunday, January 20th. PTC continues to evolve and improve the PTC annual conference experience with new activities and features. Here are some of the highlights. The Submarine Cable Workshop kicks off in Coral 1 and 2 at 9 a.m. with a global submarine cable update and continues throughout the day, including the Submarine Cable Luncheon entitled Facing Tomorrow's Submarine Cable Industry Challenges. At 2 p.m., mark your calendar for the always popular Telegeography Workshop in Coral 1 and 2. Now, this workshop will examine the state of international telecommunications networks of the past, present, and future. Topics to be covered include shifts in bandwidth demand drivers, the development of new hub cities, trends in submarine cable investment, and more. Join us for the PTC’19 opening reception tonight from 6:30 to 8 p.m. at the Great Lawn. Enjoy entertainment, food, and networking to kick off your PTC’19 experience. This year, we introduced PTC's Center Stage sessions, which will be in the Topple Ballrooms. These sessions are sure to deliver a spectacular experience with an impressive series of speakers from industry leaders and innovators. Visit the PTC Hub, the heartbeat of the conference, located in Coral 3, allowing attendees to facilitate more meetings, more networking, and open more connections. The PTC Hub offers attendees to book hourly tables, use laptop stops, collect materials from our literature bins, enjoy smoothies and coffee, and choose from a selection of drinks from the combination bar. Take advantage of phone charging stations along with the professional headshot station. Finally, this year we will enjoy the PTC Innovation Awards, a global celebration of people and the companies that have transformed and continue to transform the ICT industry. The 2019 PTC Innovation Award winners will be announced during the Tuesday evening gala starting at 6:30 p.m. Join us for an elegant evening and take part in the blue carpet walk, champagne hour, dinner, and entertainment. Dress your best and enjoy an incredible celebration of innovation. Be sure to buy your tickets in advance to reserve your table by visiting the PTC registration booth. You can also purchase your tickets online by going to ptc.org/gala. That's it for today's edition of What's Happening Today at PTC’19. We'll see you tomorrow with more details and insights for Monday, January 21st. Have a great day, everyone.